Hi guys, welcome to another video. I don't know what happened. I don't know where's my intro. Jesus. And I don't know why it takes so long to edit this video. Welcome back. We are here at Boston Beach in Portland. Alright, so if you're ever in the Portland area and especially close by to the Great Huts, then Boston Beach is definitely a place that you need to check out. It's only $200 for adults to get in. You can take food and drink inside, as well as you can go elsewhere and have your lunch, dinner, or whatever. Water is so clear. Alright, so we're here with the locals and they're apparently teaching us how to flip. Flip. Take one, guys. Take one.
Without giving a warning, I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. Let's let go. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by.
Around 1870, traders from Boston, Massachusetts began trading and transporting bananas from Portland to America. And this took off, like the economy, everything, they've just a boom because of it. And this company called United Fruits, also known as Del Monte, yes, the people that will make the nice fruits, them in a bag of syrup, yes, Del Monte, they profited because of this whole trade. And this beach was donated to Jamaica by Robin Moore. I not even didn't know the beach could have donate, guys. Like beach had donate and all these things. One thing I rate about countryman, them body always nice. God. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you haven't already, and tell a friend. Don't forget to tell a friend. Thank you guys. See you next time. Hi guys, welcome back to another video.
No, cut.
I'm not send a damn adventure. Hi guys.
Hey.
Welcome back. Oh God, me I about